In this video, I have explained the various kinds of C programs based upon arithmetic operators. Write a program to find sum of given two numbers. First, initially we need to write the header files, hash include within the angle bracket stdio.h, hash include within the angle bracket conio.h, and you already know why we need to write those header files. The next, void main, this should be written in small case letters, open bracket close bracket. After that, open the floor base which indicates the beginning of a main. Then I need to declare a variable. Since I require three variables, I take all these three variables of type integer. For that purpose, I will declare them as int a, comma b, comma sum is equal to 0, semicolon. Here I am storing the resultant of two numbers sum in an variable sum, and I have initialized this value with the value 0 because it will be consisting of some garbage value. It is better to initialize the values of a variable. Then clear screen, CLR SCR open bracket close bracket semicolon. Then next we need to ask the user to enter two numbers. For that purpose, printf within the brackets within the double quotes enter two numbers /n semicolon. Then we need to read those two numbers which has been entered by the user. For that purpose, we need to write scanf within the bracket double quotes %d double quotes close comma ampersand of e comma ampersand of b, because I have declared the variables as a and b. For that purpose, here I have written ampersand a comma ampersand b, and this I have declared of type int. For that purpose, I have written %d. Then we need to find the sum, and that can be written as sum is equal to a plus b semicolon. This is an example of an arithmetic operator. Then I need to display the result. For that purpose, printf within the bracket double quotes /n sum of two numbers is equal to %d double quotes close comma sum semicolon. Then get ch open bracket close bracket semicolon. Then end of an main by writing and closing floor brace. When we run that particular program, the output will be in this manner. It will ask the user to enter two numbers. If I enter the value as 10, 5, it will give the result as sum of two numbers is equal to 15. This is the way the output will be displayed. Write a program to find the division of given two numbers. First, we need to write the header files hash include within the angle bracket stdio.h. The next hash include within the angle bracket conio.h. Then void main open bracket close bracket. Then open the floor brace. Then we need to declare the variables. I declare two variables of type int space m comma n semicolon. Then to store the division of these two numbers, I will declare a float variable as float space div is equal to 0 semicolon. I have initialized the value of div is equal to 0. Then clear screen CLR SCR open bracket close bracket semicolon. Then I next initialize the value of m is equal to 11 semicolon, n is equal to 2 semicolon. Then I calculate the division that can be calculated as div is equal to open bracket float close bracket m divided by n semicolon. Here I am converting m, which is of type int, to float, because if I won't do this one, if I just write m divided by n, so 11 by 2 will be equal to 5.5, but it will be stored as 5.000, that is 5 after that decimal point, after that 6 zeros. But I want the exact result. So what happens, since m and n are of type integer, but the value which we are getting is of type float, for that purpose we need to perform the explicit conversion from int to float. For that purpose we have to write div is equal to within the bracket float m divided by n semicolon. Then next I need to display the value of the division. For that purpose, printf open bracket within the double quotes slash n division of two numbers is equal to percentage f double quotes close comma div bracket close semicolon. Now after get ch open bracket close bracket semicolon. After that close the main function by writing the closing floor brace. This is how the output will appear when we execute this particular program. In this particular program, I have initialized the value of m and n. Instead of that, you can display a message to the user to enter the values, and you can read the values by using printf and scanf statement, how we have done in case of program of finding a sum of two numbers. In the same way also we can write the program, but to make sure that you learn all the concepts clearly, I have just differentiated. In the previous program I have read from the keyboard, whereas in the second program, that is the division of and two numbers, I have initialized the values. Write a program to calculate area of an square. The formula is side square. First we need to write the header files hash include within the angle bracket stdio.h hash include within the angle bracket conio.h void main open bracket close bracket, then open the floor base. Then how many variables I require in this particular program is I require two variables, one to accept the side value and one to store the area of a square. For that purpose I declare two variables of type float as float space side comma area equal to 0 semicolon. Here you can observe that I have initialized the value of area equal to 0. Then clear screen clr ser open bracket close bracket semicolon. Then I need to ask the user to enter the side of a square. For that purpose I use the printf statement open bracket double quotes enter side of a square slash n double quotes close bracket close semicolon. So this particular message will be displayed when I run the program. Then I need to read that side. For that purpose scanf open bracket double quotes percentage f double quotes close comma ampersand of side bracket close semicolon. Here I have declared a side of type float. For that purpose I have written the character string as percentage f, that is the control string. Then I need to calculate the area of an square. I need to write the computation statement as area is equal to side into side semicolon. Here the side into side, whatever is there, that is the multiplication, and in C program we need to use the asterisk symbol for the purpose of calculation of the multiplication, that is the product. Then printf, I need to display the result. For that purpose open bracket double quotes slash n, that means the output will be displayed in a new line. Area of square is equal to percentage f double quotes close comma area bracket close semicolon. So here area of square is equal to, after that percentage f, where I have written percentage f, in that place it will be displaying the value of an area which has been calculated. After that we need to write the get ch open bracket close bracket semicolon. Then we need to write the closing of a floor base which indicates the end of a program. When we run that particular program, it will first ask the user enter side of a square, and if I give the value as 1.1, then it will display area of square equal to 1.21 followed by 4 zeros. Write an program to calculate area of a circle. The formula is area is equal to pi r square. Then write the header files hash include within the angle bracket stdio.h hash include within the angle bracket conio.h. I require a symbol pi, and I will declare that by using hash define space pi space 3.142. It is a symbolic constant, that means wherever I will write pi, that will be replaced with the value as 3.142. and void main open bracket close bracket. After that open the floor brace. Then I declare two variables. One is a area, that is r, another one is a area. I will declare both as of type float. float space r, comma, area, semicolon. Only these are the required variables for this particular program. So I have declared only three variables here. One I have declared as a symbolic constant, and rest of the two I have declared as an float variables. Then clear screen, CLR, SCR, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. Then next I will ask the user to enter the radius of a circle. For that purpose I have used the printf statement. Then scanf, open bracket, double quotes, percentage f, double quotes, close, comma, ampersand of r, bracket close, semicolon. So whatever the value has been entered by the user, that will be stored in the variable r. Then next, the formula, that is area is equal to pi into r, semicolon, because the area of a circle is pi r square. Here pi, that is a pi, whatever is there, it is replaced by 3.142, because the area of a circle is equal to 3.142 into r square. R square can be done as r into r. Then next, to display the result, printf, open bracket, double quote, slash n, area of circle is equal to percentage 4.3f, double quotes, comma, area, bracket close, semicolon. Here I have written 4.3. That means after the decimal point it will be displaying only 3 digits. If I have not used 4.3, if I have just written percentage f, then it will display 6 digits after the decimal point, which you can observe in the previous programs of the division as well as in the case of an area of a square. Next, get ch, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. Then end of the main program, that is reading the floor brace, that is closing floor brace. The output of the program will be, first it will ask the user to enter the radius of a circle. Then I will enter the value as 2. Then it will display area of circle is equal to 12.568. If instead of writing percentage 4.3f, if I have written only percentage f, then it used to display as area of circle is equal to 12.568 followed by 3 zeros, because the float will be displaying 6 digits, because it is having a precision up to 6 digits. Click on like and subscribe button.